Right, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another F-350 video. So we are gonna complete the whole truck in this video except the lift kit that's coming next, so stay tuned for that one. On top of that, we are gonna push another little project that we got it from Copart. Not showing too much, just to give you the idea how to get a decent car for a good price. The truck was painted a couple days ago, so everything is dry enough for me to start working on it. Not that much room over here. I want to take this truck to my shop and finish everything over there, but to do that, at least I gotta complete the doors, put the fenders, hood, front bumper, and then I'll mess with the rest at the shop. When we bought these new headlights, they came without the computer that goes over here. But this truck came from the auction with everything. Even if the parts are damaged, they're still in the truck. So there is one computer, and that's from the other headlight that was destroyed. Everything is on the truck. Now I'm gonna back it up, wash it, and then take it to my shop. All right, the truck is ready to hit the streets. A couple more pieces missing. The bottom lip that goes under the bumper, I have that at the shop, and the grills that goes on the fenders, I have those also. Right after I washed the car, it started raining out of nowhere. There's no raining about this time in California. The steering wheel, it's a little sideways. That's because we need to get the alignment done, take care of the check engine light, change the airbags, we need to reset the light, and then do everything else. The bumper needs to come out. I gotta install the wiring, the little sensor. The fenders, both of them needs to come out. I gotta take the backing support from the old fenders, all this stuff over here. There's another one. Install them on the fender and throw everything back, adjust the gaps. And then we'll see what's next. Took off the fender, just installed the backing support. This guy over here, put on caulking. It has a couple clips over here. This fender is ready to go back. So we got the wheels over here. Those things are huge. On 27s. Brand new wheels, brand new tires. Look at those. That's the rear. That's
the cap
crazy.
the back one.
Does the cap? Man, this thing is gonna look sick. Putting this on hold for today. Got some other things to do. This is my daily drive. It's an M3 and it only has 4 seats. I got 3 kids and a wife, so every time I go somewhere I gotta use my wife's car. And that's a stick shift, so I can't really enjoy driving this in the traffic. I want to get rid of this, and I just got a E-350 diesel. That's a Mercedes from Copart, and I gotta go pick it up. Here is the car. It is from insurance. They took everything off, but they saved everything. The trunk is full of parts. The grill, the light over here, everything is there, and everything is actually good. No cracks, no damage. All these plastics that go under the hood, everything is here. The bumper is in the car. They bent it. I didn't even look if it's good or not, but at least it has everything, the fog lights and everything. This thing starts, drives, we check the oil, everything is good, and I'm not gonna get a towing. I'll just drive it. It's like 10 minutes away. I hope I'm not gonna get pulled over. And this thing drives so nice. It doesn't pull to the side or anything. I don't hear any weird noises. It needs a little detail. Really happy for this car. So that's the next day and the car is complete. The bumper was in the car, was bent, but I kept it in the sun and it came back to look normal. I washed all the scratches with gas, everything came out. So I picked up for 6,300 and I didn't have to buy anything. Lucky, everything was in the car. Well, I did buy this little chrome and that, which cost almost nothing. I was planning to paint the front and rear bumper, but after cleaning with gas, there's no reason to paint them. And this car is gonna be used as a daily, so it's gonna be used and abused a lot. Doesn't have to be super clean. But there is the car. I like the diesel. So there's like a little dent over there and somewhat over here. It's a little more beat up than it looks on the camera, but still super clean. That's the trunk. It's pretty deep, kind of clean. This is where the DEF goes. It's a little tank. Looks pretty clean. The interior looks really good. There is no rips, no scratches. I like that net that goes up. The headliner, it's clean, looks like brand new. I'll show you the front. There it goes. And there's the front. I did spend a little time detailing everything. There was some fingerprints on top of the headliner, but now it looks brand new. And this is it. It's hard to believe that they salvaged this car. Everything is original. Original airbags, the hood, the fenders, all the plastics, everything is original on this car. I mean, you can tell by the bolts that they never took anything off since they made this car. Look at that, all the stickers, everything. So I called that pretty good deal, but I'll let you be the judge. Look at that, dark windows, like I like it. Well, M3, it was fun using you, but you gotta go to somebody else. That's because you don't have enough room. That's a 2013 E-350 diesel, and it comes with 92k miles, which that's just a warm-up for the diesel. 92, that's really low. It drives really smooth, straight, quiet. I was gonna say fast, but that's a lie. I mean, it's pretty decent. When the truck is complete 100%, we'll do a nice cleaning on this thing. It's not too dirty, but it's not clean. So we're going outside. Alright, so just like that, but with 6-inch lift kit and a lot bigger wheels and a grill in the fender. Well, if you have patience, that's coming next. Look at this thing. Man, I want to show you guys the paint job. This is a nice color. So with the front, we did change the headlights. They're still dealer headlights, Ford. The original one was with chrome inside. We went with a different grill. The original grill was chrome. This one, it's custom. Mirrors, we got rid of the chrome, paint the top. Same thing with door handles. If you guys watched the previous video, everything is in that video. So I'm not gonna film too much. I will get better shots after the lift kit, after the wheels. But for now, just showing a little bit to end this video. After doing all the chrome delete, there is this little grill on the fender that has a bunch of chrome. I'm not worried about this. I'll vinyl wrap that. The grill, I don't like it. So I'm gonna take this chrome off, paint it black, and the letters and numbers, I'm gonna do same color as the car. This grill will take hours because to take the chrome off, I'll have to melt those little clips, pull it out, and they're everywhere. Sand it down, paint it, put it back, use a heat gun, melt them back. But at the end of the day, it's worth it. The letters, the numbers are ready to go. I use hot glue to glue it on this piece of wood and then zip tied. This is gonna be white and this is gonna be black. Alright, so this is it for today's video. We did complete the truck. Everything is on it except the lift kit, which this is what's coming next, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto build, and I'll catch you guys later.